Good day to all employers in Singapore. My name is Manilin Kibati. I am 34 years old, a mother of 3 kids, and a high school graduate. I have experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 5 years with a family of 6 members, 2 adults and 4 children, age 11, 8, 4, and an infant. My main duties there are include cooking, marketing, cleaning, washing cars, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care with the kids. I love playing with the kids and having fun with them. Mom and sir, if you are willing to hire me as your helper, I will do my best in my job, and I will promise to love your children and treat them as my own, and assure you that I can fulfill my duties and responsibilities. I am eager to learn. I can work well and minimal supervision. I am honest, kind, trustworthy, and I am dedicated to my work. And I am excited to be part of your family. Mom and sir, once again, thank you and God bless.